The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, my husband, the former President of Nigeria, the former Vice President, the former President of Nigeria, also the Chairman of the occasion, MB Haruna, and other distinguished personalities that are here present. I have learned that anyway, let me start with, I came from the Northeast, and I was offered to be the ambassador of peace from the Peace Institute in Washington. But I declined because I came from the Northeast. I told them that time that my hands were full because I came from the Northeast. I would like to help my people. And we're here today launching some of the achievements of my husband, and I would like to inform you that I have a future assured, my pet project that I had during my tenure as the First Lady of Nigeria for 8 years. I have built a secondary school in Borno State in which I have over 500 unaccompanied children. They are called unaccompanied because they lost their parents, they were just living in the camp, no fostering, nothing. And the Borno State government have done their best, and I decided to help them because I came from the Northeast. So I have 500 children, over 500 children. They were packaged with the learning resources. They are schooling free of charge, and Borno State government is helping me with feeding them. And also T.Y. Danjuma Foundation is doing a great job. And I would like to, for posterity and my husband's legacy, I would like to get some 15 copies of the volumes, 15 sets, to keep in their library for them to read and see how much my husband fought in fighting, how much he fought insurgency, and then make Borno a stable, more or less, and safe place to be now. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Sorry, for the amount, I will discuss with Femi Adesina and my husband's cabinet.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.